Hey everyone! So I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I have a 12 by 12 canvas and I took a cup. I had seen AnneMarie Ridderhof do this, as well as Miriam's Nature did something similar to this as well. We poked holes all around the outside of the edge of the cup with a poker. And I cut the top off because I want to do it as a dirty pour through the top of the cup instead of flipping the cup. That way the paint will come out a little easier. And I will put a little bit of white there to set that on. So I'm going to be using a lot of color. And I have black and white, Craft Smart Seamless Pearl, Artist Loft, and Grumbacher mix. It's a Prussian blue from Grumbacher mixed with the iridescent medium from Artist Loft. I also have metallic gold. It's from Craft Smart. And I have Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green, Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue hue, and Americana turquoise blue. I like to mix up varieties of paints because if you're using all one brand of paint, they're made to flow together. And I love the effects that I get when I mix different brands. They kind of bounce off of each other sometimes, and it's really pretty the way it does that. So I think I'm going to need, I'll try this size cup, but I'm only going to use about that much paint. It'll be about 9 ounces of paint probably. So I am going to spray my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray. And if this is your first time here, click on that subscribe button so you'll see more of our videos. So I'm going to start with white. And I'm going to follow that with gold. I'm going to try to get 2 layers then. And some black. And I think I'll go with the cobalt metallic blue hue next. And I'm going to follow that with the seamless pearl. And then the Prussian blue with the iridescent medium. And I think then we'll do some lime green. I call it lime green, although it's phthalo yellow green. And the Americana turquoise on top of that. So let's go ahead and give it another round. So we have the white, Craft Smart gold. These are creative inspirations, the white and the black. Artist Loft cobalt metallic blue hue, Craft Smart seamless pearl, Artist Loft iridescent mixed with Grumbacher Prussian blue, Grumbacher phthalo yellow green, and Americana turquoise. We've got plenty of paint to play with. So I'm going to put a little bit of white down. This has no silicone in it, just to hold the cup in place and to give the paint something to bounce off of instead of clinging to the canvas. So that should be good. Changing out my nails with pencil erasers. Okay. Yeah, that should work great. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this right in there. Ooh, she was getting away. I think if I would have layered those more in the cup, we would have gotten a whole different effect. But I wanted to see what would happen if we just poured it like a regular pour. And it's still coming out. Sometimes if you put your hand under the canvas and push up, it will force that to go as well. Let's see what's going to happen with that white in the middle. Ooh, it's different. I kind of like the design right here, so I'm not going to mess with that. I'm just going to pull a little bit of this into that so it doesn't look so cut off. Okay. I'm just hoping we don't end up with a big gap of green there. So let's tilt some and see what happens. I use my hands as a corner catcher. But you can use a piece of cardboard. I know a lot of people don't wear gloves when they paint, so... Ooh, isn't that just terrible, that little gob of gold there? We're going to get rid of that. Definitely is a sore thumb. Okay. So I am filming all of these pre-hurricane, so you may not know what's going on with us. I just want to make sure that I had videos to upload during the storm. But we are north of Raleigh, and we are expected to get up to 20 inches of rain. So we'll probably lose power. So I thought I would get these videos done and have them ready to upload. That's kind of neat, that middle piece. Let me give you a peek before I torch. It's got its own little design. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe my hands and give that a torch. Broke out my new torch. Couldn't stand that other one. So I'm just popping some air bubbles. I'm getting some new cells. Just a few. That should be pretty cool when it dries. We have a lot of metallics through here that are going to dry different. So I'm going to leave that one alone. If you're looking for supplies, shop with me on Amazon. The links are all below. Also, we sell our paintings and jewelry on Etsy. And join us on Facebook. And you can contact me through Facebook. Click like and share. Leave a comment. We have a fan mail post office box now. The address is below. All the links are below. And we're also doing a GoFundMe for Nate Cerami to come here in November and do a 3-day collab with me. We should have a blast doing that. And some of the paintings that we'll be creating will be giveaways for everyone that donates to his GoFundMe page. So I think I'm going to just leave this be, and I'm not going to do anything else to it. I have this big urge to swipe some black through there, but not going to do it. It looks kind of like a galaxy, like a planet sitting there in the middle. So I'm going to leave it alone. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.